Hello, hello everybody! Welcome back to Quack and Wabbit's video number 2, Making Puppets Come Alive! You just made a bird or a cat or a dog or a frog puppet. And now we're going to learn how to move your puppet. Find your puppet's voice and personality and practice the songs and movement for the show. Because we are all going to be a part of the show. Mr. Gumpy's outing! Yay! Okay, have fun. Bye-bye.
Now let's practice how to move your puppets and how to help make your puppets come alive.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
So first, let's put your puppet on.
I am on. I am right on.
Now remember, you're going to feel for the mouthpiece. You'll put 4 fingers at the top and the thumb at the bottom, just like that.
Oh yeah, very
now,
cute.
Moving the puppet, it's all in the wrist.
Okay. La 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 la.
So let's look up. Everybody, make your puppet look up. Look down.
Down.
Look to the right.
Right.
Look to the left.
Left.
Say yes.
Yes.
Say no.
No.
Do some head circles.
Roll, 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 roll.
And now let's practice slithering like a snake.
Like a snake.
Very good. And then how about we do some jumping?
Oh yeah. Hop. Hop. Boing. Boing. Boing.
And you can even dance with your puppet. Oh.
Oh yeah, moonwalk.
And cool legless dance moves.
All right.
Now let's practice making your puppets talk by moving their mouths like this. That's right, Froggy.
Okay, and now let's practice with some words. Repeat after me. Blah,
Blah,
blah, blah,
blah, blah,
blah, blah, blah.
blah, blah, blah.
Mana, mana, blah, 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 blah. Mana, mana, blah, 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 blah. Mana, mana, blah, 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 blah. Mana, 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 blah, blah, la, 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 la. Okay.
Okay, let's get back to practicing.
Yes. And let's practice another song.
Sounds
to
fun.
the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Repeat after me. Every time we make a sound.
Everybody sing.
Every time we make a sound. We open up our mouths.
We open up our mouths. All right, now let's try a lot of different voices and different personalities for our puppets. And you can try this at home too, boys and girls.
I have personality. Boy, do I have personality.
Do you ever, Froggy?
I love to sing. La 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 la.
Waldo's the name, and chasing wide-mouthed froggies is my game. Ha 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 ha. Why, hello there. My name is Penelope Poodle, and I just love a prancing and a preening. Oh my, you sure are a pretty little funny froggy. Well, hello dear to you too. Yes indeed.
Where'd that voice come from?
That was a little freaky, Froggy.
Freaky Froggy, you can say that again. Whoa!
Hello there. My name is Dorothy the Dazzling Dog, and dang it, I do declare I like to doodle. Hello there. I am a silly, sniffly dog, and it's super spectacular to be here today. Sniff, 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 lick, lick, lick.
Yuck! Dog germs!
So we hope you play around with a lot of different voices and personalities at home and have fun with your puppets.
Okay, have fun. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Now we are going to practice being a part of Mr. Gumpy's outing puppet show. Yay! And you have a puppet, either a bird or a cat or a dog or a frog. And so let's start with the birdie. And if you have a different puppet, let's just pretend we are a bird. I'm going to pretend like I am a bird. Yeah, okay.
That's a great idea, Froggy. So, I want you to use our imagination and let's imagine how a bird moves and what a bird sounds like.
Okay.
And then let's put our puppets on.
Mm-hmm. I am on. I am right on. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, and now we're going to move our puppets just like we imagined. How does a bird move? And let's move our puppets like a bird would. So a bird maybe will soar and fly just like this and flap their wings.
Yes. And they hop, hop, hop.
Hop?
Yes, they really do.
Hmm.
Okay, and what did the birdie say?
Everybody, tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, 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 and honk, honk, honk.
Honk, honk,
Quack,
honk.
quack, quack.
Quack, quack,
And
quack.
squawk.
Squawk.
Like a peacock.
And cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh my goodness! That probably was a cock-a-doodle-don't. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now let's all practice being a kitty cat.
Okay, now let's imagine how a cat moves and what a cat sounds like. All right, let's make our puppets into kitty cats. Kitty cat, they kind of creep along sometimes, like this. Maybe they sniff the ground a little. They lap up their milk. And then they curl up and go to sleep.
Oh, that sounds
Aw.
good.
Froggy!
Oh. Oh, I think I fell asleep right
You
there.
did fall asleep.
My goodness. And, well, what does the kitty cat say?
What does the kitty cat say, everybody? Meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow.
And you know what else they say? They say, I'm hungry for some fish! Ha 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 ha!
Fish? I love fish. Did you say fish?
I did, and you might find a nice fish over in yonder pond.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
Bye-bye! Now, let's all practice being a dog.
Okay, let's imagine how a dog moves and what a dog sounds like. That's right, Froggy. Let's all move like a dog. And a dog runs
Oh,
and wags his tail.
waggy, 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 and scratches at their fleas.
Yes, scratch, scratch, scratch.
And hop, hop, hop,
Hop?
They really, really do. Now, what does the doggy say?
What does the doggy say, everybody? Woof, 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 woof. Bark, bark, bark.
Bark, 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 bark. Grrr. And where's my bone?
Bone? Did you say bone?
Yes, I did.
Where's my bone?
Go fetch, it's over there. Okay, now let's practice being a frog. That's what I am.
Okay, let's imagine. How does a frog move? And what does a frog sound like? Okay, let's make our puppets act like frogs. What do they
Okay.
do, Froggy? You
Hop,
should know.
Hop, hop.
Yes, they love to hop.
And they like to hip hop.
Oh, I love to hip hop.
Well, here we go.
That was fun, Froggy.
Good times.
Yeah.
Good times. Okay. Now, what does the froggy say?
What does a froggy say, everybody? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
No.
Rabbit?
They
No.
say, "Where's dinner? I'm coming. When's dinner? I'm coming over."
Dinner, fly sandwiches, take out or delivery.
Take out or delivery? I'm in. Here I come. Bye bye. Wait for me. Hello, hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Froggy.
Hi. Okay, now is my favorite part. It's time to practice the song Mr. Gumpy Has a Boat. It's to the tune of Old MacDonald Has a Farm.
That sounds great, Froggy.
So repeat after me. Mr. Gumpy has a boat. We must be good or it will not float. Everybody! Mr. Gumpy has a boat. We must be good or it will not float. And then we'll do all the animal sounds. With a tweet, tweet here. Everybody!
With a tweet, tweet here.
And a meow, meow there. And a
Meow, meow there.
And a woof, woof here.
And a woof, woof here.
And a ribbit, ribbit there.
And a ribbit, ribbit there.
Yes!
Mr. Gumpy has a boat. We must be good or it will not float.
Thank you. All right, have fun in the show. Bye-bye.